smoky rise, crown of iron and burning eyes. Banners fall as the cold wind sings. Kneel now, kneel before the king. Mountains tremble beneath his throne. Blood and steel of the seeds he's sown. Blood and steel of the seeds he's sown. The trumpets cry, the heavens roar. No mercy left, no open door. The trumpets cry, the heavens roar.
Welcome back, Lemlers. Yes, it's been a long time, but I have a 183 video for you, and I hope you all enjoy. Alright, so we got New Bay for the first one. Got the shitty spawn, but we'll make do with it. I don't really like this spawn. I like the other spawn because then I can just go sit in the middle of the park over by where the B and C cap would normally be at. But we'll make do with it. I'm gonna go this way and then possibly drive across this bridge. Yeah, I'm gonna go where Caro's going. It looks like he's going a weird place. I'm actually gonna go where this Twitch streamer's going. I don't know who you are, Mr. Creed, but I do like your idea. So I'm gonna follow you, and hopefully we can play this smart right here. Because if we lock down this area, there's no way they're flanking us. Okay, he missed his shot. I hit mine. No, I cannot hit mine, and I got hit for it. Alright, so I'm just gonna let them do their thing there. And we got an IS-7 and an IS-4 that looks like they were pushing up all angry and stuff. And see, I need you to move. Right there, there's 1941 into him. Now we're gonna pull back. And see, that is not a smart idea to be doing. Yes, keep wiggling. Oh, he died. Can I get a shot off? No, I don't look like I can. IS-4, do you want to push up? I know where both your guys' ammo is. Okay, they're gonna pull back, but I'm gonna still look this way just in case. Let's see. IS-7 spotted again. Oh, there's the E-100. Hello. Ooh, that's a pretty good shot. That is a pretty good shot into you indeed, sir. I need to help out Creed. No, Creed, back up this way. Back up here. Yes, come on. You got it. You got it. You got it. Type 71, thank you. And, oh, ice forward. Can we get a shot on you? Come on, pull forward. Creed, if you want to go ahead, you can. There you go. Push up like that. Oh, what? Hello? Where did my shot go? Like, what the fuck, dude? There's no way I missed that shot. I'm gonna go get some farming damage. They've got it on that side. Oh no, Creed just died to that E-100. They're back there, so I'm just gonna go full send this Jagdpanzer E-100. Let's see. Okay, and skadoosh. Do not look at me. Keep going. Back up. I'm gonna reload. We're gonna push forward now since we were more than halfway reloaded. Ring around the rosies. Hello.
I'll never forget you.
And you're dead. Good try, but you did not succeed with that turnaround. And you paid with your life. And can I get the clear on this guy? I hope I can get the clear on this guy, please. Oh, I really wanted that clear on him. But oh well, we did our part in the team. And let's see. Yep, 3.4K. Let's see on our credits, 17,000, not bad. And we had top of the team. So yeah, we definitely did our part in the team. And now we're on to Vineyards. This map I am kind of skeptical on, but at the same time, if you play it right, you can do your job on this map. Nobody want to get bumped? Alright. Let's get into this. What? I don't know who that E100 is. Okay, Val, just drive forward. Talking to Dom. Alright, there is a 752 that is spotted. There is also the Caro over there that is spotted. They're capping B, it looks like. So, we're gonna push up right here where this 907 is. I'm gonna peek too much. Caro is right. Oh, you lucky son gun. Wait, is he going? Yep, he's gonna drive right forward, right into my round. A boom. Oh, and I got a bounce. Oh, that is lucky stuff. No, 907, move. E100, move. Oh my god, I knew he was going to be some bot or something, not knowing how to drive. And can I get this? Right. No, I go straight into his track. That is rigged. No, what can I do from this position? Like, I can't move from this position because that 752 and that Caro over there still. Is he spotted? No. Oh, hello, IS-7. And it's good to 911. Could make a Twin Tower joke, but I do not want to get demonetized on YouTube. Let's see, are you going to push out E100? I really hope you do push out. You still got plenty of health for me to farm. IS-7's gone. E75, can't hit him. Let's see. Ooh, E100's poking now. Nice. And it low rolls. Nice. I still got a chunky shot into him. That's all that matters. Now he's down to an HE tap, so. Hey! Hello. Hello, Mr. Gerdo. Do you want a hash? I give you good fat hash. Okay. What, like, bruh. Why? Wargaming, please fix this. There's no way it does that on a flipping grill. I will take you. Please get a shot into him so I can clear him. Thank you. Gotcha. Good job, team. Yeah, we're actually steamrolling right now. Oh, wow, and I just realized I'm over 4K damage. Yeah, this is probably my best Vineyards game. And alrighty, I missed that shot, but you know, they'll get the clear on him. I really wanted that shot to hit though. It'd been really nice. And GG's. Alrighty, let's see how good of a job that we did. 4K damage. Still the same amount of credits, which is absolute bullshit. and we had top of the team. So we did our job once again in the 183, the bonk bonk at 2. And now we are on Castilla, which this map, I'm not really a fan of this spawn. This spawn is the spawn. Actually, no, this one's the good one because you can easily get up on this hill, but I'm not going to play the hill. Not going to do that at all. What I'm going to do is actually, I'm going to be ballsy and play middle. Yes.
Time to roll out.
I'm going to play middle and that hill right there. That hill with the bridge over there on the other side, but on the left side. Because if their heavies push up on the windmill hill, I'll be waiting and have a clear line of fire on them, and I won't be spotted in the process doing it. There is a Caro over here. We've got a 907. The ultimate showdown, the Caro versus 907 debate. Anyone want to pokey? Any heavies want a pokey? Ooh, hello. What? Excuse me? Where did that shot even go? Like, I'm honestly dumbfounded. Where did that shot go? I better make it up for this next shot. Can I hesh you? I'm not gonna try that.
And I feel my life has just begun, and I can't wait,
Enemy vehicle is destroyed.
Congratulations! Oh my God.
I bet bro was not thinking about peeking that at first, and he's like, oh, there's no one over there. Drives forward, gets absolutely destroyed. Oh, I feel so bad for you, T-57, but you should not have pushed that. Especially when we got an AC Atlas just being a absolute gooner with his fucking amazing armor just sitting hull down over there. Can I get this G-Sword? Now, I wish I had that tank because I really wanted to make a video on it, but same time, I don't have the tank. And okay, he drove forward. Oh god, he's looking at me. That's bad. He's got good DPM. Oh, I seen him trying to be cheeky. He tried to get up there and hit me, but not happening. I don't know what I can do from here. Oh, hello. Alright, you're gonna, yep, go unspotted, so I'm gonna sit right here. Nope, sit right here. Nope. Oh, okay. He spots me before I spot him. Nice. Nice. So the 183 does not have spotting range. Wow. There is a Foch, which Hesh would be really nice into the side of him. But at the same time, I've got to push up. They've got that EMX. They have to. I just don't want to face off against a Foch in a 183 by myself. The Foch is in that bush. I don't know how I'm not spotted. Where's that 183? Was he still trying to get up that hill? Yes, he was. And you're dead. Alright, you have to go. Alright, now I gotta just reload. Can I get a shot into you? Can I get a shot into you? Do not kill him, people!
Enemy armor is hit.
It low rolled. Oh well. He's gonna be dead. That XM's probably gonna get him. Yep, there we go. Alright, now it's just a big old meaty Foch, which I don't know if I'm gonna be able to. Oh, I could have. I'll just keep the AP.
Enemy armor is
There we go.
damaged.
Why does it keep low rolling? Wargaming, fix this fucking shit. Like, there's no point for it to keep low rolling like that. What kind of BS is that, War Game? Come on now. Yay, we won. Let's see. 4.4K. Nice. Second class, If I would have had one more kill, it would have been a first class, but yeah, we definitely had topped the team, I'd say. On to Port Bay. Now, Port Bay, I don't really like this map, mainly because people don't know how to fucking play on it, which is pretty fucking stupid if you ask me. Because you'll see here in a second. You'll see.
Time to roll out.
Yep, you've seen the Ag Tiger going left. I'm just going to push it forward. Let's see. Yeah, and our heavies are going that way, of course. Of course. I mean, I'm probably contradicting myself by saying we lose. We might win this, but highly unlikely. Oh, wow. We have a heavy that came with us. And get out of my way. Learn how to fucking drive. Oh, my God. I swear. The players, what do they do? Did they play in sniper mode only? Is that why they keep running? Okay, I missed that. Okay, now I'm getting tapped. Do they literally just play in sniper mode? Like, have no situational awareness of their surroundings? Is that what happens? Do they play like that one guy that Droodles made a whole video on him playing in sniper mode and shit? Because if so, that is fucking ridiculous that people do that. Oh, that gives me a great video idea. What if I just play in third person or play just in sniper mode? Let me know down below in the comments. Who's on this base? Okay. Oh, I had HE loaded. When did I do that? I don't know when I had it loaded, but oh well. We'll just slap. Okay, I'm just gonna reset the cap. There, I reset the cap and I paid for it. I paid for it heavily. Type 71, do not come this way. Someone get the Type 71, please. Make sure he can't push up here. Can't believe I've been able to do 2,500 damage from up here. That's nuts. Why is... Okay, now he's not focused this way. I'm scared of the mediums. Yes, come on. Yes. Oh, God. Just back up. Do something. Yes, go forward. Go forward. Like, what? What is this guy doing? Just drive forward. Thank you. Oh my God, was it that hard? Like, what the hell? Type 71, like, just drive forward or back up or do something. I need to farm damage. I need 4K damage at least. I need our medium to spot them. There, that guy's spot. Okay, he's not in an area where I can shoot. Actually, wait, which way is he coming down the map? Oh, he is coming towards an area I can shoot right about in there. Okay, I don't think he sat back that way. That guy is looking pretty chunky and juicy. I'm gonna go for him. Okay, the FV is shooting, I believe. Yes, because I hear the gun in the background firing away. Alright, we're gonna do our job and we're going to go after this Ag Tiger. Because I need more farming damage. 3,400 is not enough. I need more.
Enemy armor is damaged.
Your truck was broken anyways. Oh, M40, I'm not trying to block you. Back up, buddy. Ooh. Get the clear. Nice. Nice. W stuff. We got this still. Let's see. I should have had over 4K right there. Yes, 4.3K. Let's go, baby. 183 is busted. That's all I can say. I might do a 183 frontline video where I just frontline it instead of sticking back and stuff, because that would be funny. But yeah, top of the team. Let's go. Alright, now we're on to Middleburg, and this map is This map is I'm not really a fan of this map at all, but hopefully a team decides to go hill, because if they don't go hill, then we pretty much lose. Wait, this is single cap. Ooh. I'm gonna go hill just in case. Come on. I wish this game would load. There we go. Hopefully the team does not go down, which they might. Hey, looks like Kron. Yeah, Kron is coming with us. Okay, most of the team is coming this way. There's only one that's not. Oh, there's a couple. I'm looking at the map. Oh, I think the enemy team made a whole push for town. Oh yeah, they did. No, because the FE's down there. Fuck. Yeah, we lost. I made a wrong judgment call. I can still get damage in regardless if we win or lose. I'm gonna go on back side of the church. I'm not gonna cut through there. I'm gonna go back over this way. And whoop. Nope. Oh, that's such a narrow shot too. Do not get in my way, Kron. Thank you. 1,005 damage right there. Can't believe it hit that shot. That was a busted ass shot. Let's see. So AC Atlas. It's FV right there. Can I get a good shot on you, sir? I don't think I can. Okay. Oh, God. Oh, God. Another 1,005 damage. No, Chieftain, you're not going to get that slick shot off on me. Nice, your E100's pushing up. Mousechin, you got people coming up behind. This Mousechin's gonna die. Yep, there it goes. Get another shot in him. Okay, now I'm going to die. This is where I die. No, I tried gun blocking. You can't gun block from this distance. I don't know what the play is. You're right here. Oh, you are not pushing me where I cannot turn. I'm gonna get that. Bruh, how did you not die? How? Oh my God, 42 health. I low rolled that. Oh my God. I still had 4.2k. It doesn't matter. I did my part of it for the team. Oh my God, what was my team doing? Well, that sucks. Alrighty. Yay. I love this map. I really don't, but oh well. Let's see. I don't know what I can do here. I do not know what I can do. Do I push from that side? No, I'm gonna push middle. Not near base though, middle of heavy side. Okay, the E-Rich is coming this way too, that little concept bugger. I need you to go spot. That's the part. If you're gonna play a 183, you need a med to help spot. Most meds and most lights do not do their job in battles. Okay, their STV is probably gonna be there. Yep, I'm spotted. I got a concept. Please go spot. Type away. There you go. Go do your job. Thanks. And okay. Excuse me. Bounces gray. No. I find that hard to believe that it did that. Ooh, bounce. Oh, we got E40 coming in behind. You know what? The STV is fucking being a chud right there, so we're just gonna farm out your E4. Get him. Oh my god. Useless. You didn't get a shot into him. So now I gotta do this. Bonk.
Do you have any ibuprofen? I got a headache.
Yeah, I bet his head hurts now. 47 health left. Oh my god, out of 2,000. No. Dude. Hi, bro. What? Okay, you're gonna focus me, bruh? Really? I am not a threat. I'm not a threat at all. Psych. Let's see. Oh, hi.
Hello, darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you again.
Gotcha!
Yeah, I don't know, bro. And this dude's not even gonna fight me. How sad. I'll take that 1200. And I'm gonna ram you. I don't know if I'm probably not gonna get up to speed because this thing's slow as shit. But let's see. Okay, yeah, I took half of your health. Oh, and I'm blocking my team from getting that kill because I wanted that kill. Alrighty, well, we did pretty good, so not gonna lie on that part. 2.7, it's not the best, but it's still pretty good. Like, I was focusing on our flank. And we had third on the team, so not bad overall. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I will have a Rhino video and a T95 video coming next, so stay tuned for that. Let me know if you like the new editing style, and of course, last but not least, go to wg.gg and use my code for 10% off, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.
Still on the horizon, the dust starts to rise. Empires are crumbling beneath crimson skies. Sharpen your blades, hear the war horns ring. Down on your knees now, and bow to the king. The ground starts to tremble, the banners unfurl. One voice on silence, the